In this guide, we're going to be going over how you can get in bot lobbies here in Fortnite during the Simpsons seasons. Before we do get in this guide, I just want to let you guys know that I am currently gifting my subscribers, especially now that the new battle pass did just drop. If you want a chance to be gifted, all you got to do is leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and just comment down below your Epic Games username. That being said, let's go ahead and dive straight into this. If you do have any questions though, ask them down in the comment section as well. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single thing down there. But the Simpsons season is obviously finally here in the lobby, and background does look pretty nice. The battle pass is obviously really cool. We do have sidekicks at tier 1. Marge has a cool witch style, Fish Stick has multiple variants, Ned Flanders, and of course the tier 50 skin, Homer Simpson, is pretty awesome. But if you want to get in bot lobbies in this pretty awesome season, there's actually a few methods that you can go ahead and do. The first method is going to be playing at low activity time. Obviously, when there are fewer players online, Fortnite fills the empty spots with bots, so if you're playing super early in the morning or super late at night, especially right when the season launches, there's way more of a chance to get placed with bots. You can actually check to see the current player count down here. It's crazy that it is only 389,000 right now. There should definitely be a lot more people on here, but the lower this number right here, the higher chance you do have to get in bot lobbies. The next method is going to be playing on regions with lower population like Oceania, Brazil, or Asia. If it's 5 a.m. in those regions, barely anyone is going to be queuing, so Fortnite's going to have to fill the lobby with bots, so definitely try doing that. The third method is going to be switching game modes. If you always play something like Battle Royale, try switching to Zero build, and Fortnite might think that you are new to that mode and match you in way easier lobbies filled up with bots. The next method is going to be playing with low level or returning players. If you queue with someone who hasn't played in a long time or someone with a low account level, Fortnite may place you in bot heavy lobbies just so that they can get used to the game again. And finally, and this one is a process called reverse boosting, but essentially lose several matches in a row. Fortnite's matchmaking does detect struggle, so if you lose multiple games back to back to back to back with very low eliminations, the system can drop you into easier lobbies to balance that difficulty out. But let me know down below, are you guys hyped for this season and have you gotten a win yet? Let me know. And before you guys leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if you did have any questions, just ask them down below as well. We can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.